Hey everybody, Chef Ryan here. Today we are going to talk about proofing. According to your recipes, we're going to go ahead and slack those rolls overnight, and then we're going to roll them out and let them sit out next to our ovens. We're going to load our rolls into our proofer. Notice the X on our rolls. That's going to help with the rise of our rolls. What's great about proofing is the process not only helps with the dough to rise, but it also develops the flavor and the texture in our items. The majority of our proofing cabinets in all of our schools come with a proofing setting, which allows us to proof multiple items at one time. As you see, we have our dinner rolls, our cinnamon rolls, and our pizza dough in our proofer. It's set at the proofing setting, and each recipe designates how long that item is going to proof. And as you can see, look at our dinner rolls. They have doubled in size. They are beautiful and fluffy. But we're going to test this by the finger technique and seeing if we make an indent and if it rises. Whoop! Look at that, it rose. So it's ready to go in the oven. So let's go ahead and spray the top of these rolls, slide these into the oven at the temperature that is designated by the recipe, and cook them till they come out till they are golden brown as you see here. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed the fruits of our labor as much as we enjoyed bringing them to you.